Hello students, in previous exercise, that is exercise 2.1, first question asks that find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. Here you have been given one polynomial which is x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so what we have to do here is we need to find the zeros of this polynomial. So what we did, as you know, we have taken px is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. Then what we did was we splitted the middle term and we got the two factors of this polynomial. Okay, so x plus 2 is the factor and x minus 4 is the factor of this polynomial. And to find the zeros, what we did was we put the p of x is equals to 0, which is equals to product of its factors x plus 2 x minus 4, and to take out the zeros or to find the zeros we equate this as equals to 0 and this equals to 0. Okay, so here my two zeros were 4 and minus 2. Why I am explaining again this question? Because to solve exercise 2.3 further, you need to understand this concept. If suppose we have find here two zeros 4 and minus 2. If suppose in the question one zero is given, okay, one of the zeros either 4 or either minus 2 is given, and you need to find the other zero of this polynomial. So let us look with the same example. Okay, the question here is if minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial px is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. Children, please remember that this polynomial is the previous polynomial only. Okay, then find the other zero. One zero, that is minus 2, has been given to you. So to solve these questions we need to find the other zero by division algorithm method. Let us see how it goes. Okay, so if minus 2 is the zero of polynomial, okay, so what can I write it as? That means x is equals to minus 2, or I can write it as x plus 2 is equals to 0, or I can say that x plus 2 is the factor of this polynomial px. Now what am I going to do with this x plus 2? This is one of the factor of this polynomial. Okay, then factor means this divides this polynomial, and in the previous video you already know division algorithm. So let us perform division algorithm. We'll put here as divisor and bracket, we'll put x square minus 2x minus 8. Now we are going to divide it. So x into multiplied by what number? We should get x square. So I'll multiply x into x to get x square. So I'll write here as x into x is x square. I need to multiply these two numbers also. Plus 2 into x. Plus 2 into x is what? That is 2 into x is what? 2x. So I'll write it as 2x. Then I'll change the sign. This will be getting cancel out, and what will I'll get? Minus 2x will be minus 4x, then minus 8. Okay, now what will I multiply to x to get minus 4x? So this is for sure that I have to multiply x into minus 4 to get minus 4x. So I'll write it as minus 4. Okay, x into minus 4 is minus 4x, and plus 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Again I'll change the sign, so this will be getting cancelled, this is also getting cancelled, my remainder is 0. That means this is my what, q of x, and this is my r of x. So you already know p of x, which is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here p of x is what? Here p of x is x square minus 2x minus 8. G of x is what? My x plus 2. Q of x is what? X minus 4, and r of x is what? 0. Okay, then we need to find, and we'll continue. Now x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to x plus 2, x minus 4. Again we are back in same situation where we're in exercise 2.2. Now for finding out the 0, I need this p of x is equals to 0. 0 is equals to x plus 2 and x minus 4. So either x plus 2 can be equals to 0 or x minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 4. This has already been given in the question. So my other 0 will be 4. This is my answer. So I can write it as, so the other 0 of polynomial px equals to x square minus 2x minus 8 is 4. This is my answer. Okay.